Academic session 2021-2022, once again under the pandemic COVID-19 outbreak. So we have joined our hands for the academics to be on a go, and this time we will be discussing production possibility curve. Economics most essential combination of best utilization, optimal utilization of resources can be obtained with one method, production possibility curve.
एक कर्व, एक प्रेजेंटेशन ग्राफिकली एक ऐसी एक्टिविटी की जो हमें सेंट्रल प्रॉब्लम ऑफ इकोनॉमी से बाहर लेकर आए, दैट प्रोवाइड्स यू द रिसोर्सेस with best utilization, that delivers you your satisfaction of need with your livelihood generation with the production activity and generate income cycle. And before assessment, it is production possibility curve, all the possible combination with the one utilized resource with the fullest, optimal, best utilized with the need satisfaction, and hereby this graph have to be constructed. One table is required. Several dots are represented. B, D, C joined and form production possibility curve, production possibility frontier, production possibility boundary, and transformation curve, where A and X represent utilization of resources beyond the reach, or otherwise the smaller the reach. It marks you at point A, underutilization of resources, and point X, overutilization of resources. So let's have a look.
Dear scholars, once again we have assembled for the same platform of learning, and hereby we are discussing production possibility schedule, and hereby we are discussing the second phase of the production possibility schedule, extension with the curve. Earlier I have delivered you this segment ki construct kaise hua. Let's revise firstly. Beta, I have taken 6 combination A, B, C, D, E, F. I have increased wheat by 111, and then I have reduced wheat number from the tank. I have started the tank from 15,000, then I have reduced 1. Then it became 14 because I'm using the land as a resource, and land resource is fixed. अगर मैं उस पे गेहूं का खेत लगा लूंगी तो वहाँ टैंक नहीं लग, फैक्ट्री नहीं लग पाएगी, इंडस्ट्री नहीं लग पाएगी डिफेंस इक्विपमेंट की. So I have to reduce my production. So I have reduced my production by -1 because I am producing wheat as compared to tank. For I am giving the opportunity that 1:14 will be the production. Then another is 2/412 because I have -14 with the number 2, then it will be obtained with the 12. Then I am reducing my tank production in the industry. Then again this 12 will be minus by 3, and then we will have 9. Then again we have to assemble it in the same way, 4/9, and then 4:5 will be obtained. Then we have the assembling of the next phase. जब मैं सारा wheat के लिए farm को use करूँगी, I will not utilize my land for the tank. But most probably tank is a fixed resource, and hereby we are discussing with the zone board. Look on the right hand side, I have written that land is limited resource, fixed supply resources की, and then the best example is your land written on the left hand side. Because बेटा आपके borders आपकी restriction है, आप उससे ज़्यादा बाहर जाके प्रोडक्शन नहीं कर सकते. तो आपकी जब geographical land limited है, so you have to make decision as per the production according to it. And what is the production possibility schedule that can deliver you? So hereby we are discussing wheat and tank, and I have delivered you कि अगर हम सारे एरिया पे फर्स्टली इंडस्ट्री सेक्टर लगाएंगे because we want a developed economy and we need tanks more than that. So then मैंने स्टार्टिंग में 15 लिया है, तो wheat हमारा 0 है. I'm not using the farm. I'm not using the agriculture medium of livelihood. I'm going to produce tanks, and that's defense, and that's industry. Other way, we are generally going to reverse it out कि या तो ये वाला combination extreme है, और जब ये wheat और tank के फेज में extreme होगा तो वो ये वाला है कि मैं सारे land पे wheat ले रही हूँ और tank नहीं produce करूँगी. तो ये दोनों side एक बार 0 जरूर होना चाहिए. It is rule. क्योंकि आपका maximum production तभी obtained हो सकता है कि अगर आप दूसरी चीज को बनाओ ही नहीं. Then let's come out on this phase. So this is schedule. What you are seeing right now is schedule, and when it will be going to graphically presented, then it will become curve. So this is the curve and look how I constructed it. मैं अब आपको इसको दिखाऊंगी बेटा. Check it out. मैंने इस पे पॉइंट्स डाले हैं. अब ये वाला कॉम्बिनेशन हम ग्राफ पे देखेंगे. Let's see. Because I'm shooting a video, so I have to get something done in advance. देखो बेटा, A कॉम्बिनेशन है 0:15. तो अब मुझे 0:15 दिखाना है. तो लेट्स फर्स्टली स्टार्ट विद द कर्व. देखिए बेटा, मैंने y एक्सिस पे लिया है टैंक और x एक्सिस पे लूंगी मैं आपके लिए वीट. x एक्सिस पे लूंगी वीट. वीट मैं किससे राइज कर रही हूँ? 111 से. अब मैं उसे रिड्यूस कितने से कर रही हूँ? टैंक को, जितना मैं वीट इंक्रीज कर रही हूँ. सो लेट्स सी. फर्स्ट कॉम्बिनेशन A, 0 wheat and 15 is my tank. Look, tank. I will going to move on the y-axis. So tank is 15. And then I have one single way movement of defense equipment. So I'm not moving anything on the wheat. Look. So mine first point will be origin based. Wheat पर मैं कुछ नहीं मूव कर रही हूँ. Wheat is 0. So 15 के पॉइंट पर ही आपका पॉइंट कौन सा बन जाएगा? A. क्योंकि भाई हम wheat प्रोड्यूस ही नहीं कर रहे. When we are not producing wheat, so how can we produce? Show it in graph. We will going to be on the wheat side. Origin पे ही मूवमेंट रखेंगे and then आपका टैंक का 15 है तो 15 यूनिट पे. तो हमारा पॉइंट A कंस्ट्रक्ट हो गया. नाउ आई हैव पॉइंट B, 1:14. सो चेक इट आउट. 1:14. देन लुक, 14 कहाँ आएगा? इस जगह पे. क्योंकि 15 से 12 के बीच में आपका 14 कहाँ आएगा? इस जगह पे. मैंने यहां पर एक डॉट लगाई एंड आई स्टार्ट पुटेड पॉइंट B. अब नाउ चेक, क्योंकि हम 1 पे है ना, सो दैट मीन वीट इज 1 एंड देन 14 और आपका B पॉइंट कंस्ट्रक्ट हो गया. यहाँ 14 है और यहाँ पर 1 है. तो ये कैसा कंस्ट्रक्ट होगा? 14 और 1. तो B पॉइंट कंस्ट्रक्टेड. देन नेक्स्ट इज 12 एंड 2. Check C portion 12 and this is 2. Wheat is 2 and your tank is 12. So now see 12 tank तो बेटा आपने ले लिया 12. अब आपने wheat लेना है 2. Checked and I am putting it in this way. Look. बेटा ये वाला पोर्शन आपका डार्कन कर दिया मैम ने आपके लिए. तो ये क्या हो गया आपका? पॉइंट C. देन कम ऑन पॉइंट D. इट्स रेशियो 3 and 9. पॉइंट D रेशियो इज 3 and 9. देन चेक, दिस इज 9. फर्स्ट पॉइंट तो आपकी and this is 3. This is 3 and here it is 9. Look, I have moved like this, then I have came down with this and then I obtained point D. Then in the same way, point E, check, and even check point E here. Let me hold my, look beta, this is point 5 and we are moving on point number 4 of wheat. And here we have point E. And then point F, we have maximum wheat and 0 tank. So the point ratio says कि F point जो आपका है उसमें आपने wheat produce किया है, tank produce ही नहीं किया. So then your line will be here, only and only on the origin. and here you will going to have F. And when you will combine all these points, start combining these points, जो मैम ने लाइन पहले ही डार्कन करके दी हुई है आपको, इसे कहते हैं बेटा PPC. And PPC have the full form production possibility curve. This PPC means to say production possibility curve. And sometimes it also called frontier. क्योंकि बेटा ये border है ना, this is maximum production which you can obtain with the given quality of technology and given supplied of land or any resource, and that's why it's frontier. It's frontier. ये आपका वो है जहां मैक्सिमम आप पॉइंट आउट पे वर्कआउट करेंगे. एंड ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन कर्व, बिकॉज बेटा आई एम ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग माई रिसोर्स यूटिलाइजेशन, कि एक साइड तो मैं एग्रीकल्चर कंपेयर कर रही हूँ और दूसरी साइड आपका टैंक कंपेयर कर रही हूँ. वो क्या है फ्रेंड्स, वन साइड आई एम डीलिंग विद द प्राइमरी सेक्टर एंड अदर आई एम शोइंग इट विद द इंडस्ट्री सेक्टर. सो कंप्लीट रेवोल्यूशन है बेटा ये, इसलिए ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन है. Otherwise you are transforming the use of land. Sometimes you will take wheat and rice, sometimes you will take ghee and wheat or butter, tank, anything you can take example with. Then it is transformation. तो आपकी transformation है of one simple resource. And hereby let's have a Zoom board look, and we are concluding it for this session with a promise to see you again soon. Meanwhile, you can have a Zoom board look and later have the PowerPoint thank you. So wish you all luck. See you again soon.
After having all the assessments from the PowerPoint presentation to digital medium of learning education, hereby we are concluding it for the today with the promise to see each other again. But before concluding, let's recapitalize. The first thing we have to recapitalize, the abundance of resources are there with alternative uses. The resources have to be used in such a way that the limited supply with abundance need to be regeneration, and this regeneration process should not be disturbed with the production activity, but still can be obtained with the optimal utilization of resources for the need satisfaction. So hereby we are concluding for this session with the promise to see each other again. So thank you for visiting.